everyone. It's 8:11 and today we are starting with Fit India quiz, hosted by me and Agam. So the rules are simple. There are 16 questions which comprises of two rounds. Every person will be asked with two questions per person would be there. So the chronology is the first contestant is Arnav, the second one would be Ayush, third would be Hemang, fourth will be Kritin, fifth will be Kushagra, and sixth will be Rayaraj. So I would like to, I would like you to all please start your videos. So the first question is Squats S.Q.U.A.TS is a fitness startup by Jitendra Chopsy, who worked as an employee in IT sector. This startup joins Fit India movement to raise social awareness about fitness importance in India. Which Bollywood actor have minority stake and strategic investment in this startup called Spot? You have to tell the Bollywood
I'm
actor.
not sure, but I think he was Sunil Shetty.
Second question for Ayush is Fit India movement is a nationwide movement which was launched by Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on 29th August 2019. Which Indian state launched its own Fit India campaign 5 months before Fit India movement? Name the Indian state. Have
I
to name that
think
particular Indian state.
I think it's Mizoram.
Yeah, it's correct.
Mizoram
Is
is
it
the
right
answer.
or wrong? It's correct.
Yeah, it's right.
Yes, it's correct answer. Nice, nice. So third question for Hemang in the Fit India movement quiz is which famous Bollywood personality and fitness promoter represented India in swimming in the first South Asian Games in 1984 held at Kathmandu? You have to name
Um,
that particular Bollywood actor.
um,
He's really into fitness. He's really into fitness.
oh, okay. Milind Soman.
Yeah, it's correct.
Fourth question for Kritin is which name the Indian startup which announced the launch of a Fit India special edition tracker for only 599 bucks. The company's brand ambassador and investor is Akshay Kumar. You have to name the startup. You have 10 seconds. Kritin, you have to name the particular startup which is launched.
Is it
Brand ambassador is Akshay
DOQII?
Kumar.
Is it DOQII?
Yes, it's right. It's EUQI. Yeah, it's right.
First individual Olympic Games medal winner from independent India.
I don't know.
No. Okay. It was KD Jadhav.
In which sport?
It's in wrestling. The next question is for Rayaraj Bala. When is the National Sports Day of India celebrated?
National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August.
Yeah, it's correct. Round is going to start. First
Yeah,
question is
let
for
it be.
Arnav. Who was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, highest sports honor in India? First recipient.
Was he Dhyan Chand?
No. The answer was Vishwanath.
What's the answer?
Okay.
Wow.
Next question. Next question is for Ayush. Which Indian Olympian was named one of the 16 iconic Olympians to be honored in the Olympic Museum during 2012 Olympics?
Indian Olympian.
Yeah, legendary Indian Olympian.
Hmm, Don't know.
It was Balbir Singh Dosanjh. Hemang, who is Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports in India.
Could you please repeat? Your audio was not clear.
Yeah. Who is Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports in India?
Um, I think it is. Oh yes, it's Kiran Rijiju.
Yeah. It's correct.
Next is for Kritin.
Next question for Kritin. Who was the first Asian-born footballer player to score in the English League?
Hmm.
He is an Indian. Yeah, fully correct. Next question is also called Sports Capital of India.
Bhubaneswar.
Yeah, it's correct.
So the next question in Fit India second round is for Raj. Raj. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So the question for Rairaj, which sporting event was the first sporting event ever to be broadcast live on the popular video sharing website YouTube?
I have
It
to
was the
tell the
first
sporting
sporting
event.
event. Yeah, on YouTube.
I don't know.
It's very famous sporting event.
Yeah,
It happened recently. It's the hint.
it's an Indian sporting event.
What?
Yeah, it
It's an Indian.
ended
It's an Indian sporting event.
2 months back.
Indian? What?
Indian sporting event.
Actually, your voice is cracking and I can't hear you well.
It is an Indian sporting event held every year.
Okay. Indian sporting event.
Very famous event.
Yeah.
The most famous Indian event. Sporting event.
Is it IPL?
Yes, it's IPL, correct.
Round. So the first question for Arnav is I'm going to share it on my screen. Wait. Allow permission. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, it's visible.
Wait. Yeah. So you have to fill this blank. This is Fit India's logo, or yeah, you have to fill that blank. Hashtag make your dash challenge. You can guess it from the logo or the image that is made.
I don't know.
The answer
I
is
try?
move. No. So the
The
answer
answer is
is
move.
yeah. So the next question is for Ayush. Yeah. So the question is, you have to tell the logo. Name this logo. You have to name this.
Khelo India. Khelo India.
Yeah, it's correct. Khelo India logo. So we move to third question. Third question is for Hemang. So the question is, you have to name this brand, particular brand. I'm starting the video.
No, I don't know the answer.
So the answer is Under Armour. Yeah. So thank you all for joining this quiz, and we thank Fit India for allowing us to conduct this quiz. I thanks.